The Wrdlosy 250A portable welder is remarkably lightweight, weighing only 3.7 pounds, making it easy to transport and store for various work environments. This welding machine comes equipped with essential accessories such as 10 welding rods, a pair of welding gloves, and a welding hammer, making it beginner-friendly and ready for immediate use. Featuring advanced digital IGBT inverter technology, the welder ensures efficient energy use and offers a large area for heat dissipation to maintain optimal performance. It is suitable for welding a wide range of metals, including carbon steel and stainless steel, with various rod sizes recommended for achieving the best results. Designed for versatility, this welder can handle different types of metals, like cast iron and mild steel, enhancing its practical applications for diverse projects. With an impressive 25-year lifespan and a 5-year warranty, the Wrdlosy welder promises durability and reliability for long-term use.